done, Zeus. I have taught Zeus how to give me a paws up as well as a high five whenever we have treats. And as you can see, Zeus is very enthusiastic for the treats, and he knows that a treat means a paws up. Can I get a paws up, Zeus? Well done, my boy. You are so smart. You're so smart. I love you, my boy. Okay, we're going to try a high five. Can you give Mama a high five? Oh, well done, sweetheart. Well done. Get a high paw. Yay, what a smart boy. He is so smart, really, really smart. Oh, there we go. As you can see, every time he wants a treat, he knows exactly what to do. There you go. Well done, baby. Can I get a paws up? Yay. Paws up. Every time he finishes a treat, his paw goes down. So there you go, we've got another treat. And he knows exactly what to do. So there you go. One more treat means a paws up. So you'd see that as soon as I get the treat, he knows exactly what to do. He knows when to give a paws up. Can I get a paws up, baby? There you go. Take the small one. There we go, there we go. Oh, whoa. Thank you, Zeus. That was fantastic. You are just amazing. I love you, my boy. And now I taught them that a paws up means a treat. So there we go. A paws up for a treat. That's well done, Snow. You're just sweet and adorable. And you're so smart. Ooh, that was yummy. Just like yummy. Can I have a paws up, Snow? Thank you, Mama. Paws up. There you go. Oh, that is so tasty. Really, really tasty. Smart girl. She really is smart. Treat. Paws up. There you go. Well done, my angel. Yeah, there we go. It's a treat for you, my angel. Paws up, Snow. There we go. A paws up for the treat. Can I get a paws up, Snow? There you go. You see that they have mastered the art of paws up. Paws up, Snow. There you go. There you go. Paws up. There you go. The other paw from left to right. Okay, we have another paw, my angel. Can we get paws up? There we go. Beautiful, beautiful Snow. Very smart. Can we get the other paw? Oh no, it's the same one. Oh, can I get the other paw? I'm getting the same paw. That's okay. Molly has mastered the paws up for a treat as well, so she knows it's a treat. There we go. Very, very beautiful reaction from Molly. Ready for her treat. Can I get a paws up? There you go, my sweetheart. Well done. Beautiful message. And this one. It's going to be too bright. There we go. Paws up, Molly. Oh, there you go. Smart girl. Really, really smart, my beautiful angel. Oh, that must be a tasty treat. Oh, wow. Those are two paws up. There you go, my angel. Well done, Molly. That's brilliant. That's brilliant, sweetheart. I love you. I love you. I love you. Can I get a paws up? There we go. One on Mom and one paw on me. There we go. Oh, yummy, yummy. That makes a good ASMR, in fact. There we go. Oh, very smart. Molly obviously loves doing it her way. That's a yummy treat, Mom. There you go, Mom. Wow. Are you falling for me, Mom? Why are you falling for the treats? Here we go, Mom. Oh, that's so precious, Molly. You're just so precious. I love you, my baby. Another treat. I want another paw. There we go. That's surely a yummy treat. Malted? Definitely made the yummiest treats. There we go. That was a nasty one. Can I get a paw? There we go. Two paws for Mom, 2 paws for mom for the treat. Beautiful.